Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and I'm going to make a car with fabric using the iron-on transfer paper. I'm sorry that I start with the car directly, but since my microphone was damaged, my computer is eating some of my videos. They get erased, and I don't know why. I'm sorry about that. But here you can see the process that I do for the car panel. I just iron a piece of this this paper to the fabric, and this one I'm making the muslin just to add the sentiment. I did a double fabric, just one piece of the iron paper inside between two pieces of muslin. Then I stamp my sentiment with alcohol by ink. I stamped 3 times, but I didn't press that hard because I was afraid that it's going to bleed, but it was just perfect. I think that you have to let it dry very well, because in other samples that I tried, I stamped the 3 times and I press my fingers through, and you can see the ink bleed a little bit to the side, so get smooshes to the side. Sorry that I did this step red on red, but I just did simple stitching going in and out, and then I close this to the back. After that, I just cut with this die cut of a bird. I cut with it's supposed to be the wing of, or the chest of the bird. I cut the 2 tiny leaves, and I stitch also with a simple stitching in green the stem of the flower. And these pieces of leaf have also the iron transfer paper. I really don't know if it's called like that. I'm going to check. Let me see. Something like that. I know that you need to iron the paper into the fabric. Let me see. It's called heat bond. I use the light version because it's easy to. Sorry for all that noise. It's easy to sew with the paper in the back. The heart is made out of felt. It's a very thick felt, but to secure the heart, I add also the heat bond. I'm making my car base in white cardstock. It's A2 car, and I glue the fabric first to thinner paper. It's not copy paper, but it's not cardstock. I glue it first to this paper, and then I glue this to the car because I want to have more stability, if you can say that. I press it very, very well because it's a material that I just want to see it get very attached to the paper, but it worked just fine. It was perfect. I used the same glue that I used for the paper, and it was just fine. No problem at all. And when you glue it to the car, you can see some of the stitches on the back, but I didn't care about that. But if you care, just add the fabric to dark paper. I place in the last part of the video some picture of a card that I made in lighter colors, and you can see I add frame on the back of the card to solve that problem. I glued this with foam tape and a piece of the heat bond, and I press with my iron on the part that has the heat bond, and the other part that is outside is just I press it because I have just foam tape. I add some jewels to some of the dots, and I glued these ones with fabric glue that is called OK to wash it, and they are there. They didn't move. They're perfect. And boom. This is it. This is my card. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card. Goodbye.